everyone, how are you? This is the seventh training. It's about the preparation of input layers. So first of all, we need to download the input. So these are the TIFF file. We covered this TIFF file in the previous session. And now in this session, we are going to use those TIFF file to produce the input for the Wflow. Now, first of all, you need to download those files. They are available. This link. Let us download together these files. So you copy here the link. You go to the browser. Then after that, download the zip file. So everything, it is zipped here. You can just download this input file. When you download it, put it together with the other data set. So this is the input. I already shared with you the past, like the Wflow. So make sure the input, it is here. And we already went in the past session about what is inside here. This input, there is here this hydro data. We covered this hydro data. And we also have other data, like for example here. Yes. This is the hydro data. This is the leaf area index data. This is the soil data. This is like climate data. This is the DTM. This is the land cover. This is coping giga, the climatic zone. And this is the land use. So these are all the data. We went also like through the catalog file, and it has all these input data. And we went through how to download them, how to get this data. So this is the native data in a TIFF format. Now we want to use this TIFF data to produce the input for our Wflow model. So now, after you downloaded this data, now we can go to our exercise here. It said open Anaconda prompt. Let us open Anaconda prompt together. Run as administrator. Yes. So this is the Anaconda prompt. Then activate HydroMT. We can activate our environment. We can check what are the available environment. Conda env list. This will tell you what are the available like environment you have. This is our environment here for Wflow. It's called HydroMT. So let us activate this one. Conda activate HydroMT. Now we activated the HydroMT, as you can see here. It is activated. Okay. Then it said navigate to the input data, the data that we just downloaded now. Let us navigate to that data. And that data, it has this .yml file. It's called Wflow build Dire Dawa, and also the local data. So this is what we just opened. This is these are the two YAML file or YML file, one called local data and the one called Wflow Dire Dawa. Now we need to navigate to our folder. How to navigate? We go one step up, depending on the path you put. Then I move to drive D. This is where I saved. Maybe you saved it in a different path. Just you have to follow the path where you put your file. Cd egad, then HKV training input data. So DIR, these are the data the DTM, the land cover, the copying giga, the climatic zone, the hydro data, the leaf area index. So all the data, they are available here. And now I'm inside the input data. Now the next step, we need to check the version of our HydroMT. So to check the version, you can type here HydroMT -- version. HydroMT -- version. So this will tell us the version for our HydroMT. Okay. Now the second step is to check the models inside the HydroMT. So the command to check the models, it is HydroMT -- models. HydroMT -- models. So these are the models. What I found initially, the version for HydroMT Wflow, it was an old version. It was 0.4 version. I didn't have the recent one. And also I had a version for Python which is more advanced. But this is HydroMT and Wflow, they work with version 3.11. So again, we need to check also the version for the Python -- version. So the Python version now it is 3.11, but originally I had the version of 3.12. So I installed again the version for 3.11. To install that version, the correct version, this is the command conda install python equal 3.11. Conda install python equal 3.11. Because I already installed, I don't need to install again, but you need to install. Then it will ask you if you want to download some packages, you need to type Y and then press enter. So I won't do that again, but maybe some of you need to do this step. Then after installing, then you can update the version for HydroMT Wflow. And here the command, it is install conda install HydroMT Wflow HydroMT underscore Wflow equal version 0.7. So this is the command conda install HydroMT underscore Wflow HydroMT underscore Wflow equal, this is the version 0.7.0. So this is our version. It is the recent version. So I already installed that one. I don't need to install it, but for you, if you have an older version of Wflow 0.4, you need to install this recent version. Okay. Then after that, we are going to check again the HydroMT models. HydroMT -- models. So these are the models, and these are the most updated models. Now the final step is to now run the full model. So this is the command to run the model. to prepare the input data. So this is the command. The most important part in this command is the path here at the beginning. Maybe your path is different here, so you have to use the correct path. So here hydromt build Wflow. For me it is here D egad hkv training Wflow underscore test, not to override the existing Wflow. So make sure that you are using you give a new name underscore test, but make sure you put it in the correct path, because the path in your laptop it may be different. And this is like the point at which we are going to process. We call it the centroid, and these are the files that the .yml file and the local file. So these are the files that we are going to use here to produce like this result. Maybe I need to delete like the old file, because sometimes it may complain about overwriting. So let me delete this one. I will generate it again. So now when I press enter, the model now should prepare for me the input files, the file that we explored in the past by using the panoply. Use the panoply to explore those, like if you remember, those static maps .nc. So we used that one, the panoply. Now we are producing and preparing ourselves all the input by using these freely available TIFF maps, like the DTM, the soil, the land cover, the hydrological file, and normally those are the files we are using in any hydrological models. The simulation has finished. Let us see what we produced. Now we produce this one, and this is like the static maps. We can open these static maps by using, as I said, like the panoply to see the different maps. So this is the 7th training. Thank you very much. Please practice. Thank you.